Hopefully you can hear me. Yes, you can. Yeah. So yeah, good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for being here. My name's Leigh Miles, and yeah, I'd like to share a few insights into some real world situations that we've come across within our business, and it's really about how AI has enabled site capture. It's fundamentally changing the way we perform condition assessments. So we're all familiar with how generally facility condition assessments are performed. We're doing it slightly differently, and I've got a few case studies to share, and hopefully some insights that may be familiar with you. That's it. Yeah. Thank you. No end. So traditionally, facility condition assessments have relied heavily upon manual inspections, checklists, people walking around with clipboards, these kind of methods. And also you get inconsistency within the inspectors. You can miss things. It's quite often not easy to understand how you're going to manage and the quality assurance of the assessments. So you're prone to gaps. So without visual documentation or standardization, decisions quite often can be quite subjective, and that's generally quite a challenge when it comes to putting the reports together. So in a fast-moving environment, delayed or incomplete data translate to missed opportunities generally, escalating costs and inefficient asset management. So by leveraging AI tools alongside 360 capture, we can completely transform this process, and that's really what we're going through right now. We're able to have inspections that are faster, more accurate, and critically produced with high-fidelity visual evidence. So we're actually using tools that are more familiar in construction and construction management, and we're able to manipulate these to give us some quite groundbreaking results. This enables remote teams to validate findings without having to physically be on site. And AI analysis also helps flag anomalies. And we're seeing this happen in real time. It can prioritize interventions and track changes over time. It moves us from static snapshots to the dynamic, traceable asset intelligence that can directly inform operational and capital strategies. So there's a couple of case studies I'd like to share that are fairly recent. The first one is a well-known football club within Saudi. They have a large live campus with aging infrastructure and competing operational priorities. Using AI-enabled 360 capture, combined with structured stakeholder interviews, we performed a facility condition assessment that mapped asset health in a simple traffic light reporting matrix that we'd all be familiar with. This gave the club leadership immediate, clear visibility where to invest. The engagement didn't just end at assessment, it became the foundation for their phase development, and it's something they're using as a tool right now. There were three critical success factors. First, we involved stakeholders from day one to ensure their needs and observations were captured, alongside the technical findings. Second, we prioritized actions based on real-time data and evidence, not assumptions. And finally, we kept the roadmap pragmatic, balancing operational needs and available budgets. We helped drive ownership and action across the departments. The second case study is in the NEOM region. We worked with one of the large hospitality clients managing luxury assets. They're managing VIP villas and high-end hotels. The challenge was quite complex. We combined AI data capture against compliance audits, against Saudi building code and NFPA standards. And with the AI capture, we were able to provide detailed lifecycle costing from the back end to allow clients to prioritize upgrades against CapEx and OpEx timelines. This strategic data-driven approach supported smarter investments and ensured compliance without overwhelming operations. So across both projects and in others we've delivered, there's a few common themes. Digital capture tools significantly reduce operational disruption compared to manual methods, and cross-functional collaboration increases project momentum and stakeholder buy-in. But most importantly, the visual data simplifies complex conversations about cost, risk, and strategy, allowing quicker, more confident decision-making. There are some key lessons to take forward. First, and we've heard about this already today quite a lot, technology should simplify complexity, not add new layers of confusion. Second, blending traditional assessments with digital overlays gives the best of both worlds, experience plus evidence. And third, the visual communication is incredibly powerful. Seeing really is believing. And finally, the most sophisticated technology still needs engaged stakeholders to drive change. People remain the cornerstone of successful asset management strategies. So looking ahead, we see these models scaling from individual sites to entire cities. Smart facility management isn't just about deploying sensors or AI, it's about making better, faster decisions based on real contextualized data. As operational demands evolve, integrating AI insights into everyday asset management will become an essential competitive edge. And that's it. Thank you for your time and attention. Short and sweet. And if you'd like a deeper dive into any of the methods or tools discussed, feel free to connect me after the session. Thank you.